Welcome to Mitson.com, your hub for Udemy discount coupons up to 100%. Need top freelancers for your business? Mitson has got you covered. Also, connect with expert instructors for enriching online classes. Start learning and growing today with Mitson.com. Do like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, it's Mitson Learning here and welcome to this review of the Angular course by Fernando-Herrera on Udemy. In this video, we'll take a look at what the course has to offer, who it's targeted towards, and my overall impressions of it. Course objectives. The course objectives are to provide a comprehensive understanding of Angular and its fundamentals. By the end of the course, you'll have a strong foundation in Angular and be able to build your own web applications. Targeted audience. This course is perfect for anyone interested in learning Angular, whether you're a beginner or have some prior experience with web development. If you're looking to build your skills in creating dynamic and interactive web applications, then this course is for you. Course content. The course is divided into several sections, each covering a different aspect of Angular. Here's a brief overview of the topics covered. 1. Introduction to Angular. This section provides an overview of Angular and its features, including components, directives, and services. 2. Setting up the development environment. You'll learn how to set up your development environment, including installing Node.js and the Angular CLI. 3. Components. The components section covers the fundamentals of creating and using components in Angular. You'll learn about component hierarchies, templates, and data binding. 4. Directives. The directives section focuses on creating custom directives in Angular. You'll learn about attribute directives, structural directives, and how to create your own directives. 5. Services. The services section covers how to create and use services in Angular. You'll learn about dependency injection, service providers, and how to consume services and components. 6. Routing. The routing section teaches you how to create dynamic routes in your Angular applications. You'll learn about route parameters, nested routes, and how to handle navigation. 7. Forms. The forms section focuses on creating and managing forms in Angular. You'll learn about template-driven forms and model-driven forms, as well as form validation and error handling. 8. Authentication and security. This section covers authentication and security in Angular, including authentication strategies, authorization, and protecting routes. 9. Deployment. You'll learn how to deploy your Angular applications to production, including optimizing your application for production, setting up a server, and deploying to platforms like AWS or Heroku. Overall impressions. I really enjoyed this course and found it to be a great introduction to Angular. The instructor, Fernando-Herrera, does a fantastic job of explaining the concepts in a clear and concise manner. The course is well structured and progresses at a good pace, making it easy to follow along. The course content covers all the essential topics you need to know to get started with Angular. Sections on components, directives, and services provide a solid foundation in understanding how to build dynamic and interactive web applications. The routing and forms sections are particularly useful for creating multi-page applications and managing user input. I also like that the course included a section on authentication and security, as this is an important aspect of building real-world applications. The deployment section provides a good overview of how to get your Angular applications ready.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more information. See you in the next video.